Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get rid of thumbs up on Messenger. So you have to just open the Messenger app on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. You have to just see carefully. So when you open the Messenger and you can open the chat of anyone, and there is the button of on the top is quick action. So you will have to just open the random chat of anyone. So there is the second option is quick action. So you have to choose the emoji of anyone. So once you will choose, so it will be changed the thumbs up button. So this is how to remove the thumbs up on Messenger app. It's very easy. You can choose of your choice of emoji and thumbs up will be removed. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.